Yung unit team po hindi lang ho yan nung natapos ang kampanya. Yung sinasabi pong unity, no? Ang gustong yung political slogan ng President, ni BBM at ni VP Sara. It was in fact converted into a concrete and actual plan. Dahil nga nagkaroon ho tayo ng launching ng bagong Pilipinas, remember, no? And VP Sara was there. And makikita po natin yung relationship. VP Sara is still in the cabinet. No, nasa administration po ni President Duterte, and she's very, very supportive of the plans of the current administration. And as far as the House is concerned, na-explain na po ni Boss J at saka ni Boss Paulo, the House is composed of 311 tayo, Boss D, yes, no? 311 members. And we all come from different political parties, and the House of Representatives is a perfect venue to exemplify unity. Kasi makita niyo po, talagang solid po kami dito, no? Sa House of Representatives. Talagang doon po natin mararamdaman. And in fact, we also go beyond the walls of the House of Representatives. We in fact reach out to other branches of government. In fact, we have delivered yung mga priority legislations ng administration na to. Yung mga nasa LEDAC na priority legislations, we only have to, I guess, if I'm not mistaken, Boss JJ, we only have to approve 3, no, of the 17 remaining LEDAC. So, kung titingnan po natin sa perspective ng actual governance, meron po. I don't think there's a crack in it. Kasi solid po ang ating gobyerno, solid po ang legislature sa President at the Vice President ay she's very, she came out with a statement that she does not agree with this, with the utterances or the pronouncement of her family. She in fact still supports the President. So that is an indication that the political campaign during that time was actually still intact insofar as putting the words into concrete actions.
Gusto ko lang po dagdagan ng konti yung sinabi po ng aking mga kasamahan. No? Kagaya po ng sabi nila, nandito po tayo sa Kongreso, sa House, mula kami sa iba't ibang parte ng ating bansa, iba't ibang partido, pero iisa po ang ating layunin na paunlarin ang ating bansa, paglingkuran ng ating mga kababayan, at yun po yung unity brand na isinusulong po ng ating mahal na Pangulo at ni Vice President Sara nung sila po ay tumatakbo. At kami po lahat hanggang ngayon, at kung tatanungin nyo rin po ang mga leaders po natin sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas, ay panigurado sila pa rin po ay naniniwala dito sa konsepto ng unity. Dahil lahat naman po nga tayo, ay yun nga po ang layunin natin ay ang pagbabago at kaunlaran ng ating bansa. At nandito na po tayo sa panibagong yugto ng pagbabago. May kita naman po natin, kagaya ng sabi ni Kong Paulo, pumunta po kayo sa iba't ibang sulok ng ating bansa ay napakaraming mga proyektong nangyayari, napakaraming programang na ibababa sa ating mga kababayan, napakarami po natin natutulungan. And you can see it sa utilization rate ng ating mga ahensya ng gobyerno. So ako po pa rin, syempre, the unity team is still strong and alive in our country today.